Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class we discussed about the ionic equilibrium, the continuation topic now. pH scale. Okay, what is the pH? Power of hydrogen ion. This pH scale given by the scientist name Sorensen. This is a scientist name. Next, what is the pH definition? pH definition is negative logarithm of activity of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. Anyone write hydrogen ion or hydronium ion. Hydronium or hydrogen ion. Otherwise, this definition may be negative logarithm of concentration of hydronium or hydrogen ion. That is the definition of pH. According to this definition, pH, P and this H should be capital and that should be above this line only. Don't write like this pH. This pH is phone number. So don't write like this. Always this is power of hydrogen ion. Therefore you have to write P power. It means superscript. You have to write this H. H should be capital. Don't write like this. This pH also. This is phenyl. Therefore don't write like this. These are wrong representation. This is correct representation. So always pH should be represented pH like this. According to this definition, pH is equal to negative logarithm of activity denoted by A, and this is H plus. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of activity of H plus ion concentration. Otherwise, first, why this definition again another given? Because of activity of H plus ion is equal to concentration of H plus ion or H3O plus ion concentration. Both are same. That's why anyone you can write hydronium ion or H plus ion, right? No problem. So this is equal for ideal solution. Ideal solution means in your textbook given this is dilute solution. Dilute solution means less than 0.01 m concentration like this. So in this range is there, then activity of H plus ion concentration is equal to H plus ion molar concentration. Therefore instead of H plus mean activity of H plus is, we can write pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Otherwise pH is equal to negative logarithm of H3O plus ion concentration. This is we know now. And for activity there is no any unit. Activity of H plus ion has no units because this is represented like this: H3O plus ion concentration by 1 m. Concentration meaning what is that? For example, H3O plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 3 m consider. This is 1 m consider. M cancel. Therefore, this is for example only. Don't consider always 10 power minus 3. Example they like this. So for activity of H plus ion there is no unit. You underline important for competitive exam. This is very clear. Now we know this is a pH formula. This is very clear. Next, other power of, now power of hydrogen is there. Now if here H plus is there, therefore H. Now negative logarithm of here Ka, 1 minute, first I will discuss about OH also. If here OH ion is there, OH minus ion, then here should be POH. If here negative logarithm of Ka is there, then here should be Pka. Now negative logarithm of Kb is there. Ka mean what is that? Constant. Which constant? Acid dissociation constant. We'll discuss next. Acid dissociation constant. This is base dissociation constant. Then we can write here Pkb. If here negative logarithm of Kw is there, then we can write here Pkw. So according to here, okay, now Pkw is equal to negative logarithm of Kw. Like this, whatever the term is there, that term will come here, power of OH, Ka, Kb, Kw. So these all formulas are very important. Now this we can write pH is equal to, actually here nothing is represented, meaning what is that? This is a base 10 form. So base 10 form mean, already I told you that like this formula, log a power x is equal to y, then this can be represented as x is equal to a power y, like this representation. So now this is a, this is x, this is y. So this can be represented as 10 power pH. Otherwise first minus only send left side, better. Then now this minus and to left side, minus pH is equal to log base 10 H3O plus ion concentration. This can be represented as now 10 power minus pH is equal to, this can be X H3O plus ion concentration. Like this it is represented. So this is also very important formula. If you know mathematics, so always this all problem we have to think with respect to your mathematical knowledge. Don't think always chemistry. Chemistry only this H plus pH word will be there. Calculation always think according to your mathematical knowledge. Don't think always chemistry. Chemistry only these words will be there. Clear? So now like this formula also same. Now this can be represented, all are base 10 form. Base 10 you can write or not, generally it is not represented. If you want to write also, no problem. But ln is there, mean what is that? Ln mean what is that? Log base e form. Normally this log given mean you have to consider this log base 10 form, you have to consider. When ln to log base 10 form converted, log base e to log base 10 form converted in 2.303 log base 10 form, like this conversion already I told you in the thermodynamics chapter also and in this equilibrium also. Okay, now this is pH formula, you have to remember. This is POH formula, remember all formula, all these are very important. Now pH scale is there. pH scale meaning here, generally this pH scale range is 0 to 14 at this 25 degrees Celsius, 0 to 14 pH scale. Therefore I want to draw this one, is a one scale here pH, and here H3O plus ion, hydronium ion concentration, here OH minus ion concentration, pH is 0, pH is 0, then here 10 power minus 0 or 0, right, there is no problem. Then here 1, then 10 power minus 1, use this formula, H plus 3 ion concentration. Otherwise pH formula what is there? pH negative logarithm of 0, therefore totally 0 you will get. pH equal to 10 power minus 1 now, pH is equal to minus log of 10 power minus 1. So this formula also you should know that. What are the formula? Log a power x is equal to x into log a. Log a into b can be represented as log a plus log b form. Log a by b represented as log a minus log b form. These formulas you have to note them. These formulas already you may be learned in the mathematics. So once again, these are every time involved, then you have to remember these forms. Now this is a power x form. Therefore we can write ph is equal to negative, and this is x, therefore minus 1, and log 10. Log 10. Therefore this is minus into minus plus. Then here plus 1 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. This multiply, therefore log 10 1. 1 into 1 1. Therefore pH is 1. So I will write the some log values here. Log, here 0 means 0 only. So log 1 value is 0. Sorry, correct? Log 1 value 0. Log 2 value is 0.3010. Log 3 value is 0.4771. Log 4 value 0.6020. Log 5 value 0.6991. Like this, log 10 value is 1. Log 10 value 1. Remaining value you can check from your Lagrange table, because generally these are frequently involved in our problem. Therefore I wrote this one, and you have to remember this is always don't go for checking your Lagrange table. This time taking process. That's why this remembering is not that much difficult. So log 2 double here 4, therefore its value also double. These two remembering is not that much difficult. Otherwise roughly remember this is 0.7. Round of this 0.7, round of this nearly 0.5. But generally when rough calculation is there, that I use this one. In rough calculation is there, use this. This is 0.6. But exact calculation purpose use this value. Rough calculation purpose use these values. Okay. Now here 1. Then here 10 power minus 14, because already you know that very well. Log, it means H plus AN concentration into OH minus AN concentration is equal to Kw. Kw value is 10 power minus 14. If it is 0, 0 means OH minus AN concentration how much? 10 power minus 14. Then only these are equal. Okay. Next here 10 power minus 1 mean here 10 power minus 13. Here 2 mean 10 power minus 2. Then here 10 power minus 12. Here 3 mean 10 power minus 3. Here 10 power 11. And here 4. Then 10 power minus 4. Here 10 power minus 10. Here 5. Then here 10 power minus 5. Then 10 power 9. Here 6. 10 power minus 6. Then 10 power minus 8. Then 7, 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 7. Next 10 power 8, then 10 power minus 8, then 10 power minus 6, 9, 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus, what do you call, decreasing in here 5, then here 10, then 10 power minus 10, then here 10 power minus 4, here 11, 10 power minus 11, then here 10 power minus 3, here 12, then 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 2, then here 10 power 13 minus 13, then 10 power minus 1, last one is 14, then 10 power minus 0, then here 10 power minus 14. Keep in mind these two should be equal to 10 power minus 14. Base same in power should be added. Therefore minus 0 minus 14 minus 14. Minus 1 minus 13 minus 14. Minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Like this, because we know that H plus AN concentration and OH minus AN concentration 10 power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. So this is the pH. So below this, below 7 is known as acidic, above 7 is known as basic. Basic means pH is greater than 7, pH is less than 7. This is indicating pH is equal to 7, then that is neutral. This scale at 25 degrees Celsius only applicable. Otherwise, if temperature change mean this product, ionic product of water also change. When ionic product of water change, again this range also will be changed. So I hope this pH scale you know very well. Once again I will write here pH is equal to 7, this indicating neutral, and pH is greater than 7, that is basic, and pH is less than 7, that is acidic. This is neutral, indicating here H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7. You can see in this pH 7, this is middle one pH, this H plus, this OH minus ion concentration. So here and here both are same is there. Now pH is greater than 7 means basic. That time OH minus ion concentration, otherwise H plus ion concentration is less, OH minus ion concentration is greater. See, now this pH is greater. Now if you compare this one, 10, pH is 10 consider, this is greater than 7, okay, greater than 7. Therefore this constant 10 power minus 4 is higher value, 10 power minus is lower value. Therefore H plus ion concentration is lower than the OH minus ion concentration. Now here H plus ion concentration is greater than OH minus ion concentration. So in this case also you can observe. Now anyone take below 7, for example 3 consider, 10 power minus 3 is higher value, 10 power minus 11 is lower value. So this range we have to remember, very important. Now we know that pH, but keep in mind what do you call, pH is equal to negative, sorry, it may be not appearing, I forgot to write this outside the line, therefore now I forgot to write there. So here pH mean what is H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Here pH is greater, therefore H plus ion concentration is lower than the OH minus ion concentration. This is greater, this is lower. Here H plus ion concentration is greater than OH minus ion concentration. This is greater, this is lower. Therefore pH is less. Okay. Now in this pH calculation, what is the pH formula? pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. If POH is there, what is the formula? Negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. So now H plus ion or OH minus ion concentration is there, mean H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acid, generally strong acid. Okay. Next, OH minus ion is there, mean that equal to normality of strong base. You can write directly here strong as SA only, better, SA. So you know the normality formula, already you may be studying the chapter 1. Their normality formula is equal to W2 by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in milliliter. Like this normality formula you said, this is similar to molarity formula, W2 by molar mass for molarity, gram equivalent weight for normality. So how to calculate, you know that if it is discussion is there here, mean this is only take the nearly 2 periods, that's why I am not discussing about the gram equivalent weight. This is 1000 by V in milliliter. But sometime in the problem they may give molarity, then you should know that this relation normality is equal to N into M. This is N factor, this is normality, into n factor into molarity. This n factor you are learning in the where? Redox reaction chapter. So there you will know what is the n factor. So this relation you have to remember when molarity is given. Always keep in mind any in this formula H plus n concentration, OH minus n concentration is given, mean that concentration term should be taken in the normality. So normality only take, and so therefore H plus n concentration is equal to normality, OH minus n concentration is equal to normality of strong base. Then sometime maybe weak acid is there, weak base is there, for formula is different. Otherwise simply write acid base also write, no problem. But when weak is there, that time there also we have to take the concentration, but their formulas are different. So according to that we have to follow strong acid and strong acid mixture, weak acid, strong acid mixture, and weak acid mixture, and acid and base mixture, like this will be there. So each one we will discuss detail, don't worry. Okay. Now pH. What is the pH formula? pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus n concentration. Now one problem we will discuss. Calculate question. Calculate pH of following, what are the following? First one, 10 power minus 1 m HCl. Second one, 10 power minus 2. Third one, 10 power minus 3 m. Fourth one, 10 power minus 4 m. And fifth one, 10 power minus 5. Sixth one, 10 power minus 6. Seventh one, 10 power minus 7. Eighth one, 10 power minus 8. Ninth one, 10 power minus 9. Like this will be there. Now according to your textbook, one problem is given. Now H plus HCl concentration is equal to 0.1 m given. Therefore already I told you that H plus n concentration is equal to HCl concentration, that is 0.1, because already we know that strong acids are completely ionized. At any concentration they will completely ionize. Therefore H plus n concentration is equal to HCl concentration. This can be represented as 10 power minus 1 m. Clear? Therefore pH is equal to how much? 1. Why this is? pH is equal to minus log of H plus n concentration. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus n concentration, 10 power minus 1. Then this is in which form? Log a power x form. Log a power x form can be represented as x into log a. Therefore minus into minus, this is plus 1. Log 10. Log 10 value already given 1. 1 into 1, 1. So like this directly we can write. Always like this representation, it is time taking process. So one or two problem I will solve like this, remaining directly I will write. So keep in mind, you should be calculate fast. So same way is there here. So directly I want to write here pH is equal to how much? 1. Here pH is equal to 2. Here pH equal to 3. Here 4. Then here 5. Here 6. But some student what they will think here, all are calculate the pH of following HCl solution. If water is there, answer is different. If H plus ion concentration of water is 10 power minus 7 mean pH is equal to 7 already shown in the pH scale. But when 10 power minus 7 HCl solution is there, that time this is not 7. Here pH is equal to 6.79 m. Sorry, there is no unit. This is when 10 power minus 7. When this is given, then here 6.97. When this is given, this is 7. This is. So this is given in your textbook directly in the form of solved question is there. With respect, I will solve and I will show what is the this correct answer or direct 8 is answer or 6.97 is answer. So now question how they are given in the textbook. Calculate pH of HCl solution. Its concentration is 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 m. If like this is given, then how to calculate? We know the formula, and that time this is very important for board level also and also competitive level exam also. So these you have to remember up to 10 power minus 6 whatever the value is there, that is will be fixed. But 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 9 is there, that time their pH is different. And you can see any competitive exam level question, these are frequently asked. These are easy to answer, but these are reverse is there some not reverse, some different values are there. Therefore concentrate how to calculate. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Already we know that H plus ion concentration is equal to HCl concentration because HCl is strong acid. Then you may ask the question, sir, you told that H plus ion concentration equal to normality you have to take, but you are taking directly molarity. But we know that normality equal to N into capital M. For HCl, N factor 1. Therefore, N equal to 1 into 1.0 into 10 power minus 8. Then what is that? Normality is equal to molarity. When N equal to 1, then normality is equal to molarity. So that's why I know, therefore I am directly writing. Don't think I forgot that normality. So that is also very important thing here. Always you have to take the normality value. H plus ion concentration. Now negative logarithm of here 1 point before that here only H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 8, meaning this is very dilute. It means small concentration. Small concentration means in that more water is there, less acid is there. So more water, less acid means some H plus ion comes from the water also. Therefore H plus ion total is equal to H plus ion of HCl plus H plus ion of water. Why these both combined here? Because this is very smaller value from here onward, 10 power minus 7 onwards. These are, if you, this is also you can consider smaller, but percentage of error is very less. Therefore up to here we can consider there is no problem. But here, because already in the approximation method I told you that up to 5% we can neglect, more than 5% we cannot neglect. So here the percentage of error will come less than 5%, here more than that. Therefore we are not neglecting here. Therefore we have to consider acid H plus and also water H plus. Now this is 1 into 10 power minus 8. This water H plus and concentration at the 25 degrees Celsius, how much? 10 power minus 7, because we know that H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7. Already we know that. So this is nothing but you can write like this also, 1 into 10 power minus 7. Now you know very well addition mean what you will do that. Here already in the classroom I told you that don't do direct add this, because this addition, when you are add, then power should be same required. When power should be same required means this will be point shifted back. Then when point shifted back, 10 power positive value. For example, this is 12 into 10 power minus 3 is there. Nothing but here point here is there. When point shifted here back, then 1.2 into 10 power plus 1 into 10 power minus 3, 1 cancel, minus 2 left, like this. This is answer. So here when point shifted back, 0.10 into 10 power minus 7. 8 is there, then 1 minus plus 1 come, and minus 8, 1 cancel, minus 7 left, and then plus 1 into 10 power minus 7. Therefore now power same is there. Now 0.1 plus 1 into common taken this 10 power minus 7, then 1 plus 0.1, that is 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. This is clear, I hope. And if you want 0 is that 0 also, right? No problem, there is no meaning for that. Okay, this is the concentration of H plus ion. Now you can put here. You can put here meaning that is 1.10 into 10 power minus 7. Then how to write this is already, this is A multiply form is, I remove that. How? This form, log A into B is equal to log A plus log B form. This is log A, this is B, A into B form is it. Therefore pH is equal to minus log A is 1.10 and this is plus and this minus is there, therefore minus log of 10 power minus 7. Now pH is equal to minus log 1.10, this is A power X form is there, then minus into minus plus, there plus 7 log 10 value 1, therefore 1 into 7, 7. So this is, you have to see from the log table, because here log 1.10 is there. Okay, so log 1 0, but 1.10 is not the 0, so that you can check from the logarithm table. But already I given here how much, 10 power minus 8 is given 6.97. it may be something value, this is plus value, you will get minus here. So from 7 if you subtract that very small value, because it is log 1 is 0, keep in mind mathematically thing, rough value you can calculate here. Log 1 is 0, log 1.1 is very small, then very small value we can subtract from the 7 mean, that is 6.97, very small only, you know. So you can answer this is 6.97. I don't know that 1.1 value, you can check from your textbook, backside may be given at the end of the textbook. So 1.10, then pH is 6.97. But board exam purpose you have to calculate this also and this also, but competitive exam purpose no need to calculate all this, direct you have to answer. All this calculation time taking, for me only to explain all this taken more than 1 minute, but if you take more than 1 minute in the competitive exam, then it is waste. Therefore directly remember value 10 power minus 7 is there, all serial 6, 7, 9. Here 10 power minus 8 is there, 6 point, this is reverse, here 7, 9 is there, here 9, 7 is there. These are the rank shortcut, very easy to answer. And 10 power minus 9 and next 10 also answer how much, 7 only. Okay, because that is very dilute. At least here H plus N from water we are considering, but here onwards H plus N from acid we are considering, but here onwards very dilute means HCl concentration is very negligible. When very negligible, then total concentration belongs to which one? Water only. Therefore when water is there, pH 10 power H plus N concentration 10 power minus 7 means pH how much? 7 only. So 10 power minus 7, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus like this, all answer 7 only. So total changing answer here only. So that remembering is not that much difficult. Direct we fix that, easy. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next, after this, same thing you can calculate like this: 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 7. Then based on that we can calculate. So now one more problem. What is another question is, calculate pH of 0.05 m H2SO4. Now this is HCl. For HCl what is the N factor 1, therefore normality is equal to molarity. Now the question is like this given. Now H plus N concentration is equal to normality of H2SO4. Now